And now we have Muhammad Hamzah Naveed that will introduce to us a dissection or a demonstration of the tilapia fish dissection. So, Hamzah, the mic is yours.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Muhammad Hamzah Naveed, and today I'm going to be talking in detail about the tilapia fish and many of its internal structures, which are extremely interesting. So, first of all, many scientists can classify this fish and divide it into three main sections, which is the head region, and then we have the trunk region, and then the tail region. So a tilapia fish has many important parts. Like many common fish, it has a layer of gills towards here, and the gills, as we can see in this petri dish, hold up, Bismillah. So we can see gills here, and we can see the tiny stalks inside that are responsible for gaseous exchange within the fish. And the fish is also equipped with a wide range of fins that help it to swim in the water. These include the dorsal fins at the top, a lateral line, the lateral line is for sensing currents, while there is also a caudal fin, an anal fin at the bottom, there's a pectoral fin over here, as well as a pelvic fin at the bottom. These fins can help it move in almost any direction, and another way that really helps it swim is a swim bladder located somewhere towards the top of the fish. Now what this does is that basically whenever the fish needs to descend in the water, it swallows water and stores it in the swim bladder. Therefore, its density increases and is greater than water, and it begins descending. If it needs to ascend, it removes the water from the swim bladder, and since its density is lighter, it begins to ascend up to the surface.
Place it with there actually. Yes, then it will be much more less dense and it will buoyant and float up. Yes, exactly. Thank you very much. Yeah, carry on.
Now, the alimentary canal, or the main one of a tilapia fish, begins with the mouth opening and moves on like any human with an esophagus that ends in a stomach. And from there it goes on to a small intestine and a large intestine and comes out to the anus. The anus is actually very important for identifying the gender of a tilapia fish. Male fish have only one, which is to excrete waste, while female may have two, which is to lay eggs with the second one.
Yeah, exactly. The anal opening is the last opening of the gastrointestinal tract or the alimentary canal. The second one in the female is for the eggs, which is a part of the reproductive organ. Yes, thank you. Carry on.
This fish also has these wide range of scales at the top, which is really useful for its defense as well as to protect the skin. And underneath it, it has a lot of layers of fat. And this fat can really help to insulate it so it can be safe from many temperatures. Thank you so much, and I really hope you enjoyed this quick recap with me. Be sure to follow BioPills for way more interesting content related to biology and to pass your next SAT exam. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you, Mr. Thank you, Hamzah. Thank you a lot. We are actually appreciate your presentation, inshallah, and waiting for you for the next bio activity. Till then, stay safe and stay blessed. Thank you very much, Hamzah. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.